cheese on me, lot of lights on me. Black girl magic, baby hair on fleek, all these lights on me. Black girl magic, yeah, 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 yeah. Got that black girl magic.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Tiyonna B. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying to lay a lace for the first time, and it's synthetic. So let's just see how this goes. So this is how it comes. I don't know why they put a black wig cap because my scalp is not black. But this is the wig. I don't remember how long it is, but I will put the link in the description box just in case, I don't know, somebody wants to try it. It's definitely going to tangle. So I'm for sure going to cut like this bottom half off. It's like my finger is not even, well, it ain't that bad. But it's for sure, it's really thick. It has some weight to it. And this is how the front looks. So it is like a full, like a frontal lace wig. The lace is actually better than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be like one of those like hard plastic ones. First, I need to do the whole little bald scalp thing, which I've never tried. So today's gonna be a first for everything. So I seen in the video where somebody used 2 caps, which is what I'm gonna do. The first one is gonna be to just hold my hair down because I have like plaits in my hair, so it's not as flat as I would like it to be. Then the other one I'm gonna use to do the whole bald cap method. So I got my blow dryer plugged up and I have my Got To Be spray here. Okay. What the heck? My eyelash didn't come off. Okay, I can see now. A little. Okay, then I know I cut out the little ear. I need to be careful because these are scissors for like my eyebrows, and they are very sharp. Cut a little bit of ear. Okay, so I watched a lot of YouTube videos, so I know from here I just sprayed my scalp. And spray on cool. Yeah, I need to be doing this in a mirror because I don't think I'm close enough to my hairline. Oh wait, no, there it goes. So before I put the caps on, I did kind of slick the front of my hair back with edge control. Yeah, this is too far down. So this is how it looks. I need to fix this part just so it doesn't roll up. I feel like I got close enough to my hairline, but I'm gonna go ahead and fix these edges. Okay, so I realized where I was making a mistake. On this side, I was kind of like rubbing it down. As you can see, this part looks better. So I kind of just sprayed it on there, like blow dried a little bit, and then kind of like just pushed it in instead. Y'all, this look a hot mess. But I'm gonna go ahead and take an alcohol wipe, not wipe, but I'll put way too much in here. Put some alcohol here. I'm just gonna clean up all this excess that I have on my forehead. This stuff was coming all down. Well, it wasn't that bad. And this is only my first time So I guess it ain't that bad. But from this side to this side is definitely a difference. I'm gonna put some powder along here to make it look more realistic. Maybe that'll change. They don't look as bad, but I've definitely seen better. But of course, those people have been doing this way longer than me. This is my first time even putting on some type of frontal, whether it's synthetic or real. It ain't really giving me ball cap. Okay, now for this part. This wig is extremely long and extremely thick. I mean, it's not shedding like I thought it would, but why is it so thick? Cause she thick. Thick, 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 thick. Thick, 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 thick. And her friends. Thick, 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 thick. Thick, 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 thick. I want all of them. This is how it looks inside. It does have 3 combs right here in the front and none in the back, but it does have these adjustable straps. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm completely lost on what to do next. So this is just like so much hair, I don't know what to do with it. I need to cut this though, because it's too long. This hairline looking like the dude off of Shrek. Okay, so this is how it's looking so far. I cut off a lot. I don't have a razor, so I can't like thin it out. So the ends are still pretty thick. But at least now I can actually focus on this lace and what I'm about to do. Oh, this is so hard to do on my head, so I'm just going to do it off camera because you probably can barely tell the difference that I did right here. But I'm just going to do it off camera and then show you guys what it looks after. So this is before. And what I'm going to do is just part it across, plug, 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 part it again, plug some more. Then I'm going to show you guys my results. Y'all, it's really been like maybe like an hour and a half. And this part is still kind of thick. Like, I give up at this point. Like, it's just so much hair. Like, let me show you how much hair I've plucked out so far. Like, this is how thick this dang on wig is. Like, I can really pluck some more, but like my fingers hurt. So I'm really just about to try to apply it and see how it looks because I'm over it at this point. So at this point, I don't know what's about to happen next. Because even though I sat here and plucked this wig for about an hour and a half, it's still thick. This is where we at right now. So I seen a lot of people cut it into 3, so that's what I'm about to do for the lace. Okay, let me do this in the mirror because yeah, I can't even function. Okay, so I cut off the lace. Now I have to figure out how I'm supposed to get these baby hairs down because of course it's hard. So I'm just about to go in with the alcohol again, but on my hair. I need to find a comb. So I pulled out some hair for some baby hair, but since I don't know where my comb is, it's kind of hard. But I'm just going. Me not knowing where this comb at is really messing me up. I got hair coming down that needs to be down here. What is this? You know what? I'm about to just leave that how it is and go on to the next side. So this is the final result. I know it's kind of square because I have like braids in my hair and I was too lazy to kind of like flatten them out, but I mean it's on there. Oh my gosh. But the point is, I tried and I realized where I messed up at. But I mean, it's on there. And this hair actually straightened better than I thought it would be. Like my flat iron is on 340. I just don't have a razor to like thin it out some. But I could probably actually see myself wearing this hair, this wig, even though it's synthetic. But look, like it's on 340. It's hot and it's not burning, but it's just too thick for me. This part is giving SpongeBob. But how y'all think I did? Comment down below. This is my very first time ever even wearing a wig where you gotta actually lay it down. I just know when I do it again, it's gonna be bomb. I'm gonna put the link to this wig in the description box just in case anybody wants to get it. I'm not sure. I mean, I feel like it's not a bad wig for the price it costs. So that's all for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Comment down below how you think I did or what I could have done better, because I know I was on here looking crazy, but don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I will see you guys in the next video.